Okay, everyone, now it's time to learn what is the English Phonemic Chart. Let's begin. This is the English Phonemic Chart. Now, this chart is part of the International Phonetic Alphabet. However, the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA, contains the sounds of most of the world's languages, not just the English language. In contrast, the English Phonemic Chart contains only the symbols of phonemes that represent the sounds used in English speech. Therefore, the English Phonemic Chart is the set of symbols that represent the sounds used in English pronunciation. The chart. There are 44 symbols in the English Phonemic Chart. These symbols are divided into three main groups in accordance with the type of sound they represent and the sound's nature. Group number one are the vowel sounds. These sounds are monophthongs that are produced without friction or obstruction in the mouth. Group number two are the diphthong sounds. These sounds are a combination of two vowel sounds within a syllable. And the third group are the consonant sounds. These sounds are produced with some type of friction or obstruction in the mouth. Now, these 44 symbols, which are called phonemes in English pronunciation, represent sounds and not letters of the alphabet. Again, these symbols represent sounds and not letters of the alphabet. For instance, this symbol of phoneme represents the sound uh, uh. Now, this sound takes the pronunciation of the vowels O and U in the word double, double. It is the sound of the letter O in the word love, love. And it is the letter U in the word uncle, uncle. The second symbol represents the sound k, k. This sound is present at the beginning of the word car, car. It is the letter K in the word kilo, kilo. And it is the sound of the consonant cluster CH in the word chemist, chemist. Why this chart? Students always ask me, why did you have to learn this chart and all the symbols? So why this chart? Well, the first thing we need to know and understand is that English is a non-phonetic language. This means, in English, pronunciation doesn't follow spelling. Again, in English, pronunciation doesn't follow spelling. And this is a problem for many students. For example, the word awesome, awesome, is spelled with 7 letters, but has only 4 sounds when pronounced. Awesome, awesome. Or the word cupboard, cupboard, that is spelled with 8 letters, but has only 5 sounds in its pronunciation. Cupboard, cupboard. And the word iron, iron, which has 4 letters when written and 4 sounds when produced. However, there is not an sound in the pronunciation of the word iron, iron, not sound. So, to standardize pronunciation and avoid mistakes, we have the English Phonemic Chart. And this is the first point. So, why this chart? Well, learning this chart may help you to avoid mistakes. Second, knowing this chart may facilitate or make your study easier, as most English language books, dictionaries, and websites use this very chart or system to teach you pronunciation. So you know what they're talking about. Third, it may help you to speed up your learning as it gives you independence to study. So you don't have to wait for your teacher or anybody to tell you how to pronounce a word correctly. You can learn it by yourself. And fourth, as you know the correct pronunciation of words, it will foster your confidence when speaking and when listening to English because you know you are correct. How to use the phonemes. Once you have studied and learned chart symbols and their corresponding sounds, you can use these symbols to study the correct pronunciation of words. For instance, when you find a new word and you don't know how to say it, you can easily check its pronunciation up in a dictionary. For example, the pronunciation of this word has three symbols. The first symbol represents the sound t, t. The second is the sound uh, uh, and the last symbol represents the sound f, f. So the correct pronunciation of this word is tough, tough. In the second case, this is a two-syllable word formed by four sounds and has two possible pronunciations. Let's see. The first symbol in this word represents the vowel sound U, U. The second one is the consonant sound N, N. Okay, and you know the third one. Oh, oh, good. And the last is the consonant F, F sound. However, the dictionary also tells me that I can use the schwa sound uh, uh, at the beginning of this word. So this word could be pronounced as enough, enough, and so as enough, enough. Very good. A third case is to say what you really want to say and not something different or wrong. For example, if you want to say you have beautiful eyes, eyes. Correct, ending with a z sound and not with a s sound like the other word. Eyes, eyes. You have beautiful eyes. You have beautiful eyes. And the last case is when you're not sure if the words sound the same or not. In this case, the word sun and the word sun sound the same. So they are homophones. Sun, sun. Now let's see if you can identify this word by reading just symbols. Okay, word number one, correct. And, and. What about word number two? Good. Egg, egg. Number three, look, look. What about number four? Correct. Time, time. And the last one, correct. Week, week. Easy, easy. Very good. Okay, good job. So now you know what the English Phonemic Chart is, why you should learn it, and how to use it. Well, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye for now. And don't forget to go and check my video IPA the English Phonemic Chart. The link is in the description. See you later.